Hey there, I want to show you this great single-serve coffee maker that was sent to me as a gift. I love that this coffee maker can use either K-cups or ground coffee. It has a reusable coffee filter that fits right in the top here, or if you'd prefer, you can use a K-cup and replace that filter with the K-cup holder. It also has this cute little detachable sidekick milk frother. What's really cool about the frother is that it has 4 settings that allow you to make milk froth in 4 different ways, depending upon if you're trying to make a latte or a cappuccino or a macchiato, or if you just want to have hot milk in your coffee. Let's try it out. We'll start by making a cappuccino, which is espresso with steamed milk and foam. For a cappuccino, you need a strong, short coffee. Then heat and froth the milk. Next, we'll try an iced latte. Add the desired amount of ice to your glass, then the frothed milk, and finally the espresso. You'll see that there's a thin layer of foam that rises to the top. I'm definitely not an expert barista, but it's been fun making each type of these coffee drinks. The coffee maker has 5 different size settings and a base that raises or lowers, accommodating short and tall coffee cups. It has a removable water tank that's easy to fill too. It brews a cup of coffee in less than 2 minutes and has an auto off feature. I love the versatility of this coffee maker and the added bonus of this automatic milk frother. I hope you enjoy this coffee maker as much as I do.